Alright, motherfuckers. You just saw me open up my Chronicles if you watched the other video. Now I'm going to open up my Mosaic basketball pack. I got bigger boxes too, but I figured I'd test the waters and see if you guys like these unboxings. I can get an ultra rare Mosaic Genesis Prism. Like I said, my brother knows a lot more about these than I do, so I kind of wish he was able to help me out, but he's not right now, so let's just work it on a whim, people. Let's fucking go with it. Okay, so you open the package and here's your 12-pack set, and you've got your 3-pack prism set, or whatever that is. Let's see what we got for the 12-pack. I've got my gloves on. Be extra careful. Nice if I get an autograph or something. Alright. I won't take too fucking long, people. I know you guys don't fucking wanna. So we got Larry Shamit. It's a nice card. Not bad for the Nets. And we got Troy Brown Jr.
And Kev, I don't know if he was actually trying to box him out, because if he was, then it's when
we
they
got
got
Corey White.
To the point you're making, he was trying
not
to stop
bad.
from getting that rebound, but that's.
You got some wicked nice shine to him, you can see it. Kyle Lowry.
As far out the lane as you can. He didn't do that possession.
Sergei Ibaka. Cameron Johnson, he's having a pretty good year actually. He's having a really good year this year. Alex Pulaski. I'm bad with some of these names because they hard to pronounce for me. Here's a bit of a different one. Paul George, National Pride. Does that mean anything good? I don't know. National Pride. Paul George. And Paul George is a nasty player. Final MVPs. We got LeBron James. LeBron. We got Ricky Rubio. That's a nice one. Hall of Fame, Larry Bird. I am a huge Larry Bird. I just picked up his Funko Pop. He's probably my favorite basketball player. I am a huge Larry Bird fan. Number 4. That's a pretty low number, huh? Number 4. Wonder how many are made out of them.
Made that first pass into Dennis, which got the ball.
Yeah, that's 71.
Another play from the Lakers where they do not turn.
Wow, that's nice.
To box out.
Then we got Will to Win, Anthony Davis.
I thought Trey did a good job recently.
Number 20.
Post-game press conference when he was asked, kind of like, "Hey man, are you starting to figure out?"
All right, let's see what we got in our bonus 3-pack here.
Just started watching this guy, and I thought he answered it where he said yes.
See if we got anything good.
Like, some of the stuff I've been doing for a while.
I like all of them anyways because of the colors, but...
I still have gotten better.
Oh, these are fancy.
That's a lot. And whenever you make that leap to a different level, you see it.
So we got Kent Bazemore.
Where the college coaches see new things and say, wait a minute, what can you do? And then the AU coach is like, man, he's been doing that since 8th grade. Y'all just didn't know. And so the same thing happens in the
Kelly Gobble Jr.
Trina was doing a lot of this stuff at LSU, but only getting better with the Blazers.
Blazers crash the glass, but Nurk can't make it go. Davis
And Deshaun Tate. Excuse me, Tate.
Spot with Nurk coming back at the 5.
That's not fucking bad at all. I kind of like that. Look at that design on those cards. That's pretty fucking cool. Alright, I hope you guys like my fucking thing. Little unboxing. Those are those cards. I got a shit ton more. If you guys like them, thumbs up, and I'll keep more unboxing them. Let me know what you think. Love you if you loved it. Fuck you if you didn't.